Okay, here's a piece of seam opal from Lightning Ridge in the Opal shop. The rule's in millimetres. It's quite a nice little red bar there. Done. Comes around here as well. So it disappears up on the left hand end here by the looks. Although this is the other side. There's a distinct bar of colour just here, and then this has got the characteristics of white opal, the colours in the potch. Oops, sorry, drifting off as I usually do. Anyway, it's giving you an idea. Colours are coming up quite good in that.